Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a product's variants in Shopify. What we need to do first is log in as an admin in our Shopify account or inside our Shopify store. Right now, when we are in our workspace, we want to go to products, and as you can see, we have three options here, or three products: running shoes, speed walking sandals, and winter shoes. I already have variants in two of them, so let's add a variant in the winter shoes option. The most likely, the first variant will be obviously the sizes. So we have to go to options, which is almost on the bottom, and click on these options. So options name: size, color, material, or style. I want to go with the size. So option values, you can go with small, medium, large, extra large, and so on, but I want to go with European shoe size numbers like this. Just like that, and you hit done. Straight away you can see you added tons of options. So a person who would want to buy this one, let's save it, we'll see in the products that we have 10 in stock for 8 variants. And that's how you add the variants. You can obviously go with the color, you can obviously go with material, it's completely up to you. But it's really nice that Shopify gives you this option. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.